This video is regarding our new plugin Azure Queue Storage. So we will firstly start with a quick demo. We will firstly move to design. In this we go to workload designer. Then we go to create new job definition, and here we will search for our plugin Azure Queue. So now in here we need to provide our job name. Then we search for the workstation. Then we move to the connection tab. Connection tab will help us to authenticate with Azure Queue Storage itself. So here we need to provide the account name, account key, and queue name. The queue name will be very specific because this is the queue name with which we want to perform the operation, in which we want to send or receive the messages. So let me show you. If we move here, like this is our Microsoft Azure. In this is Azure Storage Queue 001. This is our account name which we need to provide, and in our account name there are four type of data storage. So we will move to queue. In this there is an option called add queue. If we click on this, we can provide a name of our queue, so that particular queue get created, and in that we can perform any number of operations we want. So these are the names which we need to provide here in our connection tab. So we will provide an our account name, we will provide our account key, then we will provide queue name. Now we will move to the action tab. When we go to the action tab, there are two fields. One is send message and another one is receive message. So firstly check with the send message. In send message, first field we have is a message text. In this we can hardcode our message, whatever message we want to send to our Microsoft Azure Queue. So that message we can hard code there. Then we have few check boxes. First one is message expire in this we have the first is time duration, which is a mandatory field. In this we can provide the duration till that time period our message will be in queue. After that time period get complete, the message will automatically get deleted from the queue. So the maximum time duration that Azure Queue supports is 7 days. So we have to provide it between the range of 1 to 7 days. It can be in any format, as there are four formats which are being supported: second, minutes, hour, and day. So we need to provide in these formats. And if we do not provide anything, by default it give any message the maximum 7 days. So if we do not provide any message and simply send it, so the maximum duration of that time period message to live is 7 days. And if we select this, then we can give any time duration whatever we want for that message to live. Then second checkbox we have is message never expire. If we check this checkbox, that means our message will stay in the queue for a very longer duration. It is about years, and it's not about 1 or 2 years. It's a very long duration. Till that time period our message will be present in the queue. Then third checkbox which we have is save output to file. In this we have one field, that is output file path, which is a mandatory field. If we select this checkbox, so in this we need to provide the path of our file in which we want to save this information. So we can give the path of any file from our system. So whatever the output we receive will get saved into this file. Then second option we have is to receive the messages. In this first field we have is number of messages to receive. In this we can enter the number or to till that number of messages we want to receive at a time. By default its size is 1 and maximum it can receive at a time is 32. So we can provide any number between that range to receive the messages. And then we have a checkbox that is same, that save output to file. In this we have one field, that is output file path, which has been a mandatory field. In this we can provide the path of any file from our system, and whatever the messages we receive from our job log or means from our Azure Queue Storage, that they will get stored in this file. So like it is a beneficial point, like whichever the messages will be getting deleted from the queue within 7 days or 5 days, they will get stored in this file. So if they get deleted from the queue, they can still be with you with the help of this file till the time keep this file with you. So we will try to submit a job here, and we are not selecting any of the checkbox. We are just simply sending a message. So its message expiry duration will be 7 days. We are saving it. Then we submit it. Now we go to monitor this one. Yeah, our job is successful. That means whatever the message we are trying to send is being successfully sent to our queue. Second job we will try to submit is receiving of messages. So we will try to receive 2 messages at a time. So we also try to save that job and submit it. So this time we will receive 2 of the messages at a time. This is our job. We will change its priority. Now the job is being successful. That means whatever the messages we are trying to receive, they are being successfully received. 2 messages we have received from our queue. So this is how the plugin works. Thank you.